Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Qatar Airways account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Qatar Airways account from your desktop, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in QatarAirways.com like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for Qatar Airways login like this, and you can see the login page of Qatar Airways in the first of the Google results. Click there. But first, let's go from the home page. Now this is the home page of the Qatar Airways. You can see it now. Let's accept all the cookies in order to proceed. After landing on this page, you can see the login and the sign up page over here. If you have not already created an account on Qatar Airways, just click on sign up to register for it, and you'll be taken to the sign up page. And now to log into your Qatar Airways, just click on login. And you can see the both pages are same over here. Let's just close one of them. And now after you have landed on this page, just simply click on over here and enter your email or your membership number over here, and after that enter your password over here and click on login to sign into your Qatar Airways account. Or if you have forgotten your password, just simply click on forgot password, and you'll be taken to a page where you can reset your password. And if you want to reset your email, simply click on reset. And if you want to log into Qatar Airways from your Google account or Facebook account, you can just simply click from them, and you can see the business beyond by Qatar Airways login portal over here. If you are one of the VIPs members, simply click on here. Now if you want to log in with Google, just simply click on over here. A dialog box will open like this, and it will require your Facebook password or your Google password. Which one are you logging with on the Qatar Airways? And there guys, this is how you log into your Qatar Airways. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.